In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add collapsible or foldable elements to your Google Sites. This is a fantastic feature for streamlining content, enabling your site visitors to easily navigate through sections without feeling overwhelmed by too much information on a single page. Now let's dive right in and get started on enhancing your Google site with these interactive elements. First things first, you'll want to ensure you have a Google site open and are in the edit mode. Once you're set up, look towards the right side of your screen for a selection of tools and features that Google Sites provides. Among these options, you'll find something labeled as a collapsible group. This is the tool we're going to focus on today. Click on the collapsible group option to add it to your page. Doing this will insert a collapsible section right into the page you are designing. Think of this group as a compact way to organize information. It's like a folder you can open and close with just a click. This is particularly helpful for sections of your site that contain a lot of text or information, allowing you to hide it under a single clickable header until your visitor chooses to read more. Once you have clicked on the collapsible group, you'll see a text box appear with a header and a body section. In the header, type a clear and concise title for your collapsible content. This title should be informative enough so your visitors understand what they will see when they expand this section. After you've added your header, go ahead and type the content you wish to include in the collapsible section's main text area. Remember, this is the part that will be hidden from view until it's expanded, so you're free to include larger blocks of text, multimedia elements like images or videos, or even links to additional resources. Now that you've entered your content, it's a great idea to preview how these collapsible groups appear to users. Look near the top of your screen for the preview button and click on it. This feature allows you to see how your collapsible elements actually work from a visitor's perspective and make any necessary tweaks to the formatting or content before you publish the changes. And there you have it. Adding collapsible elements is an effective way to declutter your site pages, enhancing both the aesthetic and the user experience by organizing information in a neat, accessible manner. I hope this guide has helped you understand how to implement these features confidently. Don't hesitate to experiment with this and see how it can transform the way your visitors interact with your site. Thank you for joining me today. Be sure to subscribe for more tips on optimizing your Google Sites and improving your digital content strategy. Until next time, happy site building.